You've probably heard of stem cells. They are also referred to as master cells, and that's because they have true extraordinary capabilities. First, they can self-renew, which means they continually make copies of themselves to maintain a consistent population within the body. Second, they can differentiate. That means, under the right conditions, they can transform into highly specialized cells, like heart muscle cells, nerve cells, or liver cells, depending on the body's needs. These two abilities make stem cells vital to the body's maintenance and repair system. Take hematopoietic stem cells, for example. Found in bone marrow, they are constantly dividing to generate red blood cells that carry oxygen, white blood cells to support immunity, and platelets that help with healing and clotting. Then, we have mesenchymal stem cells, MSC, which have powerful regenerative potential. These cells can become bone, cartilage, fat, or even skeletal muscle. If your bone tissue is damaged, MSC can become bone cells to repair it. If cartilage is worn down, they can turn into cartilage cells to help rebuild it. Beyond that, MSC support a wide range of repair functions throughout the body. One of the most fascinating aspects of stem cells is their role in detecting injury. When tissue is damaged, stem cells respond to distress signals. They migrate to the site of damage and contribute to healing. But as we age, the number of stem cells in our body naturally declines, which makes it harder for our body to repair itself. This is one of the key reasons we start to notice visible signs of aging over time. Stem cells are categorized based on their ability to transform or differentiate into other cell types. At the top of the hierarchy, we have totipotent stem cells. These are the most versatile. They can become absolutely any of the 220 different cell types in the human body, including the cells that form embryonic tissue. You can think of them as the ultimate blank slate. Next, we have pluripotent stem cells. These can also become any type of body cell, skin, nerve, muscle, you name it, but they can't form embryonic tissues. They are incredibly adaptable and are often used in research because of that flexibility. Then, there are multipotent stem cells, which are a bit more specialized. They can develop into specific types of cells within a particular family or lineage, like cells of the skin, blood, or connective tissue. One of the most important multipotent cells we work with in aesthetics is the mesenchymal stem cell, or MSC. MSC are found in a few places in the body, like bone marrow, fat tissue, dental pulp, and umbilical cord blood. What makes them so exciting is their natural ability to regenerate and repair tissue. They release a whole suite of healing signals that help rebuild tissue, calm inflammation, and restore balance to the environment around them. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting for skin health. Research shows that MSC secretes powerful molecules like growth factors, anti-inflammatory cytokines, and exosomes that trigger real, visible skin transformation. These molecules stimulate your fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen, to ramp up their activity. They also activate dormant stem cells in your hair follicles and suppress the inflammatory signals that contribute to aging and skin damage. In clinical settings, we've seen this in action. Where MSC are used to treat chronic wounds like diabetic foot ulcers or burns, healing speeds up dramatically. One study showed that wounds healed more than twice as fast compared to standard care, with less scarring. That same science is now being applied to aesthetic medicine. Clinical studies show that with regular treatment, MSC-based therapies can reduce wrinkles, improve elasticity, and even enhance skin tone and texture. When combined with treatments like microneedling or laser therapy, MSC-derived exosomes significantly speed up recovery while amplifying the results. We call this regenerative level anti-aging, because the skin isn't just looking better, it's functioning better too. Now let's talk about exosomes, which are one of the most exciting breakthroughs in regenerative aesthetics today. Exosomes are tiny nano-sized vesicles. Think of them as microscopic messengers that are secreted by stem cells, particularly MSC. So these little vesicles play a vital role in how cells talk to each other. They carry important information like proteins, growth factors, and genetic material that helps regulate how cells behave, especially when it comes to repair and regeneration. In the context of skin rejuvenation, exosomes are absolutely crucial. When MSCs sense that tissue has been damaged, whether from inflammation, UV exposure, or aging, they respond by releasing exosomes. And these exosomes are specifically programmed to find the cells that need help, like fibroblasts, blood vessels, or even dormant hair follicle stem cells. Once they reach their target, they fuse with the cell membrane and deliver their cargo. But exosomes don't just passively deliver instructions, they actively reshape the environment around damaged or aging skin. For example, in chronic wounds, they can calm down overactive immune responses, turning inflammation off and promoting tissue remodeling. They also encourage fibroblasts to contract and close wounds faster. What's really fascinating is their adaptive ability. When exosomes enter an aging or UV damaged skin cells, they actually adjust their message. Some of them even carry telomerase-related RNA molecule that can help lengthen telomeres and reduce signs of cellular aging. In other words, they can slow down or even reverse some of the effects of aging at the molecular level. This makes exosomes incredibly promising in aesthetic medicine. They offer a high-precision, non-cellular therapy that delivers powerful regenerative signals exactly where the body needs them most, without the risk or complexity of using live cells. Building on our understanding of exosomes, let's explore the specific ways stem cell exosomes are becoming a game changer in anti-aging. One of their key actions is targeting the very survival of our skin support cells. Exosomes carry microRNAs that can block the signaling pathways that lead to cell death, ensuring that the vital cells responsible for maintaining our skin's structure stick around longer. Furthermore, they actively stimulate production of the building blocks of youthful skin. Exosomes deliver signals that activate key proteins involved in collagen synthesis, promoting the generation of these essential collagen and elastin fibers that give your skin its firmness and elasticity. But the fight against aging isn't just about building things up. It's also about protecting what you have. Exosomes contain powerful antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals, those culprit behind UV-induced DNA damage. They also help prevent the excessive breakdown of collagen by inhibiting enzymes that degrade it, thus maintaining the ability of your skin's structural support. Compared to traditional approaches that might focus on a single aspect of aging, the power of exosome lies in their comprehensive and long-lasting effects. While some treatments might have limitations or potential side effects, exosomes offer a more balanced approach, even helping to regulate skin cell turnover and maintain the skin's protective barrier. Studies have demonstrated faster and more significant improvements in signs of aging and hydration with exosome treatments compared to traditional methods, often without the associated irritation. This sustained benefit is linked to the biological memory of exosomes, where the delivered molecules can create lasting regulatory changes within your skin cells, offering effects that extend beyond the immediate application. Therefore, stem cells exosomes represent a highly efficient and safe way to deliver regenerative signals precisely where your skin needs them. Their standardized preparation is paving the way for them to become the cornerstone of regenerative aesthetics, offering a molecular level solution to help you maintain youthful, healthy skin. Like and subscribe for more from ClearSK, your aesthetic clinic in Singapore.